Hi felters and welcome. Recently I did a workshop on a Herdwick sheep, and as promised I have turned it into an online tutorial for you. So this is Harold. Let me show you a little bit about him. So on this course, I'm going to lead you through every step of the process of making Harold, from the wire armature to building up the body to doing the hooves and the horns, layering the coat, detailing the face. Let me show you a bit about the process. So when I did the workshops, I learnt quite a lot from that process, and I've applied it to this online course. I've made the wire armature stronger, I've made the hooves easier to do, and I've worked on the face detail a little bit more. I think as a beginner, you can definitely purchase the course. You can keep it for as long as you want. There is no time limit on it, and you can watch it as many times as you want. So it's about having the confidence with the wire armature and getting the firmness in the face. Everything else I will lead you through each step of the way. At the end of the course, you're going to end up with a very realistic sheep sculpture that you can keep for yourself or that you can sell. And Harold definitely was very popular on the workshops that I did. It filled up instantly, and a lot of people were requesting this as an online course. So finally I've done it. He is one of my favorites. Everything, all the details will be in the description below. And if you go to my website, feltsbyphilippa.com, there will be links on there to get you to the course too. He will be discounted for the first weekend, as is with most of my courses, and then after the first 48 hours, he'll go back up to his normal price. But I hope you like him, and thanks for watching.